Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Wolfe, as you know, from our half acre homestead. Welcome to Purging and Organizing Day 3. I had a few hiccups. It took me 2 days to get this little part of this part of the project done, because I ran into a problem with changing the blade on the jigsaw. The screw was seized, so I had to wait for Howie to come home to change the blade. So I finished the rest of the work today. I'm leaving a gap for the cords. Okay, so I still have 2 more baskets of fabric to fold, but it looks like I'm just going to have enough room in the 2 dressers for my fabric. And then I can start on this side of the room. Done. Done. Halfway there. Hooray for Purge and Organize Month. This is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead saying thank you for your patience while I get my office in order, because when my office is in order, I'm in order. Take care. God bless.